Hello, brick fans. I have a little Lego haul for you today. So the other day, I got in the post a package of parts that we ordered from Bricklink. So that was some stuff I had ordered to not really complete, but just in case I need them for Harry Potter Castle stuff that I'm working on in the amusement park. And then I went into Walmart yesterday, and then I go into the Lego and brick aisle, and I didn't really see anything. It was all the new sets, of course, was there. But I went, as I was going around the back aisle, in the most obscure place, there was this little bin and a few polybags and a few of these boxes of bunnies. Now, where these came from, I don't know, because there was no display for them. There was a store, one of the Walmarts in the city across the bay from us that had them last year, and they were the only ones. Now, whether they came from there, I don't know. Where in God's green earth they came from, but they had, unless these are new sets, because I really haven't checked it out. I haven't seen them before, so I mean, I knew the other store had some Easter stuff last year, so I'm just assuming that that's where they may have come from. I don't know. But if these are new sets, then I am totally wrong. And they only had like 3 or 4 of the box bunnies. And 5 or 6 each of these other ones in this weird bin. And it wasn't a Lego bin or anything, so I don't know where it came from. I was just happy. Anyway, let's just run it down and I'll show you what I got. So first off, I got this Easter Bunny. It's set 40463, 293 pieces. So it looks pretty neat because, well, you know, it's sort of like a mini model with some eggs and that next to it. So that looks really, really cool. Then I found the Easter Bunny Polybag, and it's like, which is different. It's cute. It's got an egg, different type of egg, and the Easter Bunny there painting the egg with his little brush. So it's like a little mini model. Set 30583, if anyone's interested, 75 pieces. So we got him. Then I found a Disney Frozen set. Was Elsa and Bruni's Forest Camp, 58 pieces, 30559. That is cool. That will definitely go in the winter scene on my display. And she is a mini doll, but that is quite alright with me. Then I found this critter. And God, he's scary. He looks like, you know, It from Stephen King's It. Sort of. I don't know. Clowns are scary. It's called a birthday clown. God forbid, I would never want him at my birthday or see it at any child's birthday. 30565 is the set number. 59 pieces. Yeah, it's kind of weird looking and scary, but I am going to put him by a very, well, scary set that I am working on for my amusement park. So when I get this built and the other set is finished, and when I get the video done, I will upload that so you can see that. Then I found a Friends Polybag, and it is set 30416, 54 pieces, and it is like a little jam stand, I guess you want to call it. And it's got like the strawberry with the bee, calculator and some coins in a box. And over there you got the actual stand with all the different jam bottles on it. A couple mini dolls. A thing of fruits for to make the jam, I guess. So that's rather intriguing. Then I found this, the turtle. I like turtles. That's, you know, really cool. It's called the Turtle Beach, set 30432, Minecraft set, and there's 46 pieces in it. So this will be included in my GBC set for Minecraft, because I'm working on, well, it's sort of built, but I got one module built, and I'll probably build a second module or something for it at some point in time. And so it's got a little minifigure in there as well. So that's neat. So we'll add it all in. We'll have a Minecraft GBC module. So that is all the bought stuff I got. Now, let me say these sets here in the polybags are $4.86 at Walmart, and that was $19.99, so you get an idea. Now we're going to open this one up, which I already pre-opened to make it easier to dump. So we got some wall pieces. Basically, it's just all wall pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, five of these ones. Just to build up some maybe on the towers and stuff. Those are yellow. They're not really beige, but it's okay. I'll use them for something. Now that tile I can't really show you. It's just a 2x2 tile. It goes along with that scary clown guy and the other big set that I'm building. And I got a tile that says "Get authorized personnel only, authorized access only." The joke is there is "Get," the British slang for, you know, what a git type of thing. And then I got the a stacker's torso. Well, I will make, and I wanted this particular torso for some time because I'm making the minifigs, custom minifigs of the YouTubers that I talk to from time to time, and this is Brick Stackers. So yeah, so we'll use that for him. And that's it. That's the total haul. Not really a huge lot, but a nice little haul all in all. Well, that's it for me for today. This is Fred over at Twoloosebricks. Peace out.